Good morning, grade 6. Today our lesson is about measuring and drawing angles. So first of all, how to measure an angle. So let's see, what is an angle? This is a 54 degrees angle, so we call it an acute angle. And this is a 130 degrees angle, we call it an obtuse angle. And then we have the 90 degrees angle, we name it as a right angle. And then this is a 180 degrees angle, we name it as straight angle. Now, how to measure an angle? We have to use a protractor. We call this a protractor. We place the protractor center on the angle's vertex, and then we place the 0 mark on one side of the angle. Then we will use the scale in the beginning with the mark 0 to read the measurement with the other side of the angle across the protractor. Let's see together how we will do this. We will directly start answering. We will start together to see how we can do this. So I want to zoom in here for you so that you can see well. This is a protractor. We will use it this way. We will grab it and put the 0 here, right next. Let me zoom in for you. Okay, we will just put here, this is the protractor. You have to have your protractor with you, and then place the 0 mark on this one side of angle. So we placed it on this side of the angle, right? On the right side here, okay? And then we placed the protractor center, this center in the middle here, on the angle's vertex. Where's the vertex? This is the vertex here. Where's the vertex? This is the vertex. This dot is the angle's vertex, and we will place here this center of the protractor on the angle's vertex, and then we will place this 0 on this side, on the arrow head. Okay, so let's now try to do it. We're going to place the center on the vertex and the 0 on the arrowhead, and then we will start counting. We will count from where? From this side here, starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So the angle here is 50 degree. 50 degree. This angle is 50 degree. Because we counted 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So yes, it is 50 degree. And 50 degree is an acute angle, because the question asks you to classify whether it's acute, right, obtuse, or straight, then measure the angle. Okay? So here we have 50 degree angle and it's acute angle. Let's go now for the next question here, the second question. Before I start to continue with you, I want you to know here that the protractor has two sides. It has two sides. This side 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, as long as we go this way until we reach the 180. Depends from where you start the protractor. And then, like we have already moved this way. Then there's another way from this side, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, up till we reach 180. And this is the vertex here. Here is the center that we put it on the vertex of the angle. We choose to put the 0 here on the right or the left according to the arrowhead where it is pointing. So here we chose to start from here, right? The arrowhead is pointing to the 0 because we are on this side. It's easier for you to count from this side. So right now let's keep going with the rest of the questions. Now we call this, of course, without even measuring, we call this a straight line. Number 2, we call it a straight line, but we are going to measure it as well. We have just mentioned here that a straight line is 180 degrees. Let's check this. We're going to rotate it until it fits correctly this way, and then you're just going to count. It's easy when you're going to count. It's actually 180. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. From 180, from which side? Any side. So it's a full angle, which is 180, right? So the answer is 180, and we call this a straight angle. Straight angle. Okay? We name it as a straight angle. Now let's go for drawing. If I want to draw a 45 angle, what I will do, 45-degree angle, I will put the protractor here this way, okay, and then I will get the pen here, then I will just put a dot here next to the 0. Let's start from this side, or if you wish to start from the other side, it's okay. So I will put 0 here. This is the point for 0, and then a point for the center, the vertex, and then I will go for 45. Let's count 45 starting from here. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 45 right here is 45. So I will just draw a straight line this way, and here as well, and voila, we have a 45-degree angle. 45-degree angle. Okay, have you seen how we do it? It's very easy, right? Let's go now for the next one, which is 120. I want this time to start from the other side. I will put the 0 here, okay, in front of the 0 here, next to the 0 from this side, okay, and I will put a dot here at the center, the vertex, and then I will go start counting. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. So next to 120, I will draw a line this way, and here I will continue the line just right here. I just don't like it, so I will erase this one. It looks very bad, sorry. Okay, so I will just draw a straight line and put the arrows. We can call this now a 120 degree angle. So I hope it's clear for you now, and I hope inshallah you can answer the next page. It's very easy. just using the protractor. Use the protractor, it would help you inshallah. Just how we used it here in those questions, try to use it as well. Okay, so thank you. Those are the answers, and I'm waiting for you inshallah to answer the next page, which is page P92. Page P92 is the homework. Thank you very much.